Hi, I'm Brendan. I'm the Conservation Manager here at the London site of the RAF Museum. Behind me, we have the Hawker Typhoon. It's just returned from a 4-year loan in Canada. In order to transport it, it had to have its wings, propeller and tailplane removed.
Shift to the right.
With the wings and the tailplane on, we were then able to start putting the panels on around the engine, around the wing fairings. So we then had the propeller in its separate parts, so we had to rebuild the propeller, put it all together. This Typhoon is the last of its type, so we're very lucky to have it here on display in Hangar 3 of our London site. So the RAF Museum is now ready to welcome all members of the public to come and view the Hawker Typhoon.